Top 10 Best Knife Sharpeners in 2025. Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 best knife sharpeners in 2025. Kitchen knife, whether you're a professional chef, a home cook, or someone who just wants their blades razor sharp, this list has something for everyone. So, get ready to bring your dull knives back to life. Because a sharp blade isn't just safer, it's essential. Let's dive straight into the list. Number 10. Presto EverSharp Electric Knife Sharpener. Designed with simplicity in mind, it features a powerful motor and precision blade guides that automatically position your knife at the correct sharpening angle every time. This two-stage system uses sapphire grinding wheels, one stage for coarse sharpening and the other for fine honing, to produce a smooth, razor-sharp edge in minutes. Its compact build makes it easy to store on your countertop or in a cabinet, and the non-slip base ensures safety during use. Presto EverSharp is compatible with most non-serrated kitchen knives, including stainless steel and carbon steel models. The consistent edge it delivers makes food prep faster and easier, especially for home cooks who prefer not to deal with manual stones or complex setups. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its maintenance-free operation. No oil, water, or messy cleanup required. The slots are well designed to collect debris safely, keeping your workspace clean. Whether you're slicing vegetables or carving meat, this sharpener guarantees reliable sharpness with minimal effort. For 2025, the Presto EverSharp remains a favorite among households that want quick, no-fuss sharpening. It's not the most advanced system, but for under $50, it delivers dependable results every single time. Perfect for everyday chefs who just want their knives ready when they need them. Number 9. KitchenIQ Edge Grip 2-Stage Sharpener. A compact and portable manual option that proves you don't need electricity to get a sharp blade. This small but mighty sharpener offers both coarse and fine sharpening slots, allowing you to repair dull knives or give them a quick touch-up before cooking. Its standout feature is the patented edge grip design, which lets you sharpen right at the edge of a counter, so the knife tip won't scrape or damage your surface. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip, while the non-slip base keeps it stable during use. Despite its size, the KitchenIQ is surprisingly durable and effective. The coarse slot uses carbide blades for quick reshaping, while the fine slot employs ceramic rods for honing and polishing. It's ideal for straight-edged kitchen knives, hunting knives, and even pocket blades. What makes it great in 2025 is its portability. Whether you're camping, traveling, or just cooking at home, this tiny tool fits easily in any drawer or bag. Cleaning is effortless, just wipe it off after use. While it won't deliver professional-level results like electric sharpeners, it's a reliable budget option for fast, efficient sharpening on the go. For beginners and casual cooks, the KitchenIQ Edge Grip 2-Stage Sharpener is a smart, affordable, and durable choice that delivers excellent value under $15. Number 8. EverSharp Rolling Knife Sharpener. Instead of the traditional pull-through or belt-driven systems, this model uses a magnetic guide and rotating abrasive wheel, allowing for precision sharpening with smooth, even strokes. It's simple enough for beginners, yet advanced enough to satisfy professionals. One of its strongest advantages is angle consistency. The rolling mechanism supports multiple preset sharpening angles: 15 degrees, 17 degrees, 20 degrees, and 25 degrees, letting you match the correct bevel for different knives, from Japanese chef's knives to Western-style utility blades. The magnetic guide holds your knife firmly in position while you roll the abrasive disc along the edge, producing a perfectly even grind every time. The EverSharp Rolling Sharpener's discs are made from high-quality diamond and ceramic abrasives. The diamond layer efficiently removes material to reshape dull or damaged blades, while the ceramic layer provides a fine polish for a razor-sharp finish. The sharpening process is fast, controlled, and clean. No water or oil required. Portability is another major plus. Compact and lightweight, it fits neatly in a kitchen drawer or tool bag. Whether you're sharpening at home or in a professional kitchen, it ensures precision without the mess or noise of electric machines. In 2025, this sharpener stands out for blending manual control with guided precision. It offers near-professional results, modern design, and a unique sharpening experience that makes maintaining your knives easier and even enjoyable. For anyone seeking a premium, well-built, and innovative sharpener that doesn't require a power outlet, the EverSharp Rolling Knife Sharpener is one of the smartest choices of the year. Number 7. Chef's Choice Trizor 15 EdgeSelect Electric Sharpener. The Chef's Choice Trizor 15 EdgeSelect remains a gold standard among electric sharpeners in 2025. Known for converting traditional 20-degree factory edges into ultra-sharp 15-degree edges, it delivers a sharper, stronger, and more durable cutting surface. The three-stage sharpening process combines diamond abrasives and flexible stropping discs to produce a professional-grade finish. Stage 1 and Stage 2 use diamond abrasives to reshape and hone the blade, while Stage 3 polishes and refines the edge for superior sharpness. This system ensures a consistent, burr-free finish, perfect for both straight and serrated knives. The EdgeSelect technology allows users to customize the edge depending on the cutting task, fine for slicing meats or durable for chopping hard vegetables. The Trizor 15 also features precision angle guides that automatically position the knife, eliminating guesswork. This makes it easy for anyone, from beginner cooks to seasoned chefs, to achieve razor-sharp results in minutes. The sturdy build, quiet motor, and stable base give it a professional feel, while the design ensures years of durability. What makes it special in 2025 is how it blends power with precision. Unlike cheap sharpeners that can damage edges, the Trizor 15 uses controlled sharpening pressure and consistent angles for safe, reliable performance. It's ideal for busy kitchens, culinary enthusiasts, and anyone who wants factory-quality sharpness at home. With its proven design and reliable results, the Chef's Choice Trizor 15 EdgeSelect remains a top pick for those who want perfection without complication. Number 6. EverSharp Culinary E5 Electric Kitchen Knife Sharpener. Built for both everyday cooks and serious culinary users, this sharpener uses controlled belt sharpening, a professional technique miniaturized for home use. It automatically adjusts speed, pressure, and sharpening duration through internal sensors, giving your knife a precise factory edge every single time. The E5 features 3 one-touch settings: shape, sharpen, and refine. Each mode corresponds to a specific belt and motion pattern. Shape repairs dull or damaged knives. Sharpen maintains a working edge, and refine polishes it to a razor finish. The flexible abrasive belts are long-lasting and gentle, ensuring your blade doesn't overheat or wear down prematurely. Unlike standard electric sharpeners, the E5 uses a vacuum system that collects debris and metal filings, keeping your counter spotless. It also comes with an angle guide attachment, allowing you to hone or strop your knife manually with perfect alignment. You can even sharpen scissors and specialty blades with optional accessories. For 2025, the E5 is one of the most advanced home sharpeners available. The quiet motor, minimal vibration, and elegant design make it fit seamlessly into any modern kitchen. What truly sets it apart is consistency. Every pass produces the same professional-grade edge thanks to microprocessor-controlled sharpening cycles that if you value innovation, clean design, and no-fuss performance, the EverSharp Culinary E5 delivers commercial precision without the complexity. It's built for cooks who want chef-level sharpness at home in under a minute. Number 5. HORL2 Rotating Knife Sharpener. That a German-engineered masterpiece brings craftsmanship and precision into a minimalist tool. At first glance, it looks more like art than a sharpener, a compact wooden cylinder paired with a magnetic angle guide block. Yet beneath its elegant exterior lies one of the most accurate manual sharpening systems available in 2025. The sharpening process is refreshingly intuitive. You attach your knife blade to the magnetic guide, which holds it firmly at a preset 15 degrees or 20 degrees angle. Then, roll the HORL2's rotating cylinder, one side coated with industrial diamond, the other with ceramic, along the edge. This dual-surface approach ensures you can both shape and refine your knives with surgical precision. Because the HORL2 maintains a perfect angle from heel to tip, it eliminates common human errors like uneven pressure or inconsistent bevels. The result? Razor-sharp edges that rival professional whetstone sharpening. It works beautifully on both Western and Japanese-style blades, and it's quiet, portable, and long-lasting. The magnetic guide block is available in 2 variants, standard and fine. Both provide exceptional grip and durability. The solid walnut or oak finish gives the sharpener an aesthetic appeal rarely found in kitchen tools. In 2025, it remains a favorite among knife enthusiasts who value design as much as performance. For precision, simplicity, and beauty combined, the HORL2 rotating knife sharpener stands as one of the most refined manual tools you can own. It's perfect for collectors, chefs, and perfectionists alike. Number 4. Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener Point, one of 2025's most innovative entries, combining modern engineering with a user-friendly design. Unlike conventional pull-through sharpeners, the tumbler uses rolling motion and fixed magnetic guides to deliver exact, repeatable results. Its two-disc system, one diamond-coated, one ceramic, gives users the flexibility to both reshape and polish blades without effort. The rolling base ensures consistent contact with the knife's edge, minimizing human error. The sharpening angle is adjustable 15 degrees, 20 degrees, or 25 degrees, making it suitable for everything from delicate chef knives to outdoor utility blades. Durability is another strong point. The discs last for years, and replacement is simple. The compact, modular design makes it ideal for small kitchens or travel kits. Many professionals appreciate how the tumbler gives whetstone-quality edges without the learning curve or mess. The ergonomic frame and premium materials ensure comfort and stability. The non-slip surface and magnetic blade holder keep the knife secure during sharpening, drastically reducing accidents. For 2025, this sharpener continues to rise in popularity thanks to its precision engineering and easy usability. It's perfect for anyone who values fine control but doesn't want to spend hours with traditional stones. With results comparable to professional sharpening, the Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener is a must-have for knife enthusiasts and chefs who demand the best edge possible. Number 3. Wusthof Easy Edge Electric Knife Sharpener, a professional-grade system crafted by one of the world's most respected knife makers. Designed to maintain the precision of Wusthof's forged blades, this sharpener combines intelligent engineering with user-friendly controls, making it a top performer for home chefs in 2025. The Easy Edge features a 3-stage sharpening system: coarse, medium, and fine. Each stage uses flexible abrasive belts, the same kind found in professional sharpening shops, to repair dull knives, refine edges, and polish to a mirror finish. The flexible belts ensure consistent contact with the blade's curvature, preserving its original geometry without grinding away too much metal. A built-in intelligent speed control automatically adjusts the motor's speed based on the sharpening stage, preventing overheating and protecting delicate blades. This means your knives stay sharper for longer without the risk of edge burnout. The quiet operation and minimal vibration make it comfortable to use, even in small spaces. What sets the Wusthof Easy Edge apart is its edge precision and brand synergy. It's optimized not only for Wusthof knives, but also for most high-quality stainless and carbon steel blades. The machine's design ensures perfect 14 degrees edge angles on each side, offering a razor-sharp, yet durable bevel ideal for all kitchen tasks. In 2025, this model remains one of the most reliable premium electric sharpeners. It's not only efficient, but built to last, with replaceable belts and a sturdy housing that ensures years of use. For cooks who value professional sharpness without outsourcing to a sharpening service, the Wusthof Easy Edge Electric Knife Sharpener is a top-tier investment that delivers precision every single time. Number 2. Chef's Choice 1520 Angle Select Diamond Hone Sharpener. Its versatility is unmatched, allowing users to sharpen both 15 degrees Asian-style knives and 20 degrees Western-style blades with precision. This makes it perfect for households that use multiple knife types. The 3-stage sharpening system includes diamond abrasives in the first 2 stages for fast metal removal and edge shaping, followed by an ultra-fine stropping stage for polishing. This produces a perfectly sharp, burr-free edge with a high-performance finish. What really stands out is its Angle Select technology, which lets users switch between sharpening angles with the flick of a switch. Whether you're restoring a delicate sushi knife or a heavy-duty cleaver, the 1520 handles it all without guesswork. The precisely engineered guides ensure uniform results and prevent accidental overgrinding, protecting the longevity of your knives. Another highlight is its quiet motor and stable base, giving you full control during operation. The design is both functional and stylish, fitting neatly into any modern kitchen setup. The machine's interior mechanics are engineered for long-term reliability, and the diamond abrasives maintain consistent performance for years. For 2025, the Chef S-Choice 1520 remains a gold standard in electric sharpening. It offers professional results at home, saves money on knife maintenance, and works across an impressive range of blades. If you demand accuracy, convenience, and durability, the Chef S-Choice 1520 Angle Select deserves a spot at the top of your list. Number 1. EverSharp Kin Onion Edition Knife and Tool Sharpener. Unlike conventional systems, it uses variable speed control and adjustable angle guides, 15 degrees to 30 degrees, making it suitable for every blade type, from delicate chef knives to rugged hunting blades. The flexible abrasive belt system follows the natural curve of each knife, creating a perfectly convex edge that's sharper and longer lasting than traditional flat grinds. The Kin Onion Edition includes a range of premium abrasive belts, coarse for heavy sharpening, medium for everyday maintenance, and fine for finishing. Each belt is engineered for smooth transitions and uniform sharpness from heel to tip. The powerful, yet quiet motor allows you to control sharpening speed precisely, slower for fine knives, faster for tools and thicker blades. This model also stands out for its multi-tool compatibility. It sharpens not just knives, but also scissors, axes, mower blades, and even serrated edges with optional accessories. The ergonomic handle, compact frame, and high-grade materials make it ideal for both professionals and enthusiasts. In 2025, the EverSharp Kin Onion Edition continues to dominate the sharpening world. It combines flexibility, precision, and power in one device, capable of producing hair-splitting sharp edges faster than any other sharpener on the market. For anyone who takes their blade seriously, this is the one sharpener that truly does it all. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 best knife sharpeners for 2025. Each of these tools offers a unique balance of precision, ease, and value, whether you're looking for a budget-friendly sharpener or a high-end professional system. Remember, keeping your knives sharp not only improves performance, but also makes cooking safer and more enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and buyer's guides every week. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your edges sharp and your cuts clean.